E, E. E is for eggplant. Eggplant.
This called eggplant, also called aubergine.
That's called eggplant.
Yes, an egg.
It's also called aubergine. You know it as an aubergine.
Eggplant.
Oh look, we're washing the eggplant because you got to wash all your fruit when you buy it before you eat it, don't you?
Yes.
Now, this cook has chopped up some aubergine eggplant and he's frying it in a pan. He's frying it with some salt and now he's putting it out onto the plate. That's some courgette with the eggplant. So it looks yummy, doesn't it?
E, eggplant.
E, E. E is for elephant. Elephant.
Here's an elephant, look, coming out of the water. They like the water. He's drinking it as well as having a bath.
And then this spits out into the air.
Water
You
a
know
lot.
how you act like elephants?
Yeah. And these people are riding the elephants. What's that lady doing?
Feeding the elephant.
What's he eating? Banana. And look at that, a colourful elephant. Look, they're shaking hands.
Shaking hands.
Are you acting like an elephant?
Yes.
And look at these elephants going home after a hard day's work. And the sun is going down, they're going to go for a little rest. That looks like it's in Africa.
E, elephant. Elephant.
E, E. E is for excavator. Excavator.
Let's see some excavators in
It's
action.
excavator.
What's it doing?
Scooping.
can
I'm
do it.
putting it into the dump truck.
Putting it into a dump truck, yeah. It's got a claw at the back, do you see that? Because it's scooping clay. Oh, this is a view from the excavator. It's digging up some rocks.
And another excavator.
Where's it
Putting
putting it?
it into the ultra quest funnel truck. There's a mini excavator. It's the color orange.
I think this is a big one. Oh, look at that big excavator. That's in a mine. It's digging out. You see how big it is compared to the dump truck? And that's an ultra class hauler dump truck. The excavator is huge, isn't it?
I'm going to put it into the ultra quest funnel dump truck. The
Yeah,
ultra quest
that's
funnel
right.
truck. Excavator. Excavator.
E, E. E is for engineer. Engineer.
There's an engineer on the site. He's got his plans and his helmet. There's another one measuring things. That's actually called a theodolite. That machine. He's measuring things. These engineers are building a building. They're actually putting the foundations in. That's concrete coming out of that hose. Engineers also build roads. Lots of roads.
And they
Build bridges. Lots of bridges. And tunnels. Look, these engineers are building tunnels. And they also design and build cars. And they build,
ultra quest funnel truck.
yeah, they build ultra-class hauler trucks. And they make robots that do work like manufacturing. Oh, and they make actual robots that look a bit like people. Look at that, he's going to switch it on. Oh, look at that. He switched on the robot. And they make engines, that's an airplane engine. And they make actual airplanes as well. And what else do they do?
They make helicopters and air ambulances.
And they make, what's that?
Rockets.
They make rockets and spaceships. That's a space shuttle going into space. And they also make space stations.
Space stations.
Wow, engineers do a lot, don't they?
Engineer.